Hello everybody. Today we are going to do some problems on Boolean expressions. The question is to reduce the Boolean expression. Okay, so let's go with the first problem. That is a equal to xy plus xy bar plus y bar, right? So this y plus y bar is equal to 1. So when you get this as 1 plus anything, whatever be the expression, okay, 1 plus anything will result in 1. So the answer for this question is 1. This is the answer. Now move on to the second one. X into x bar y plus x bar is set. So in these two terms we have x bar as common thing. So you take it outside. So it is x into x bar taken outside. You have it as y plus z, right? This y and this z. So x dot x bar, this one, right? X into x bar or x dot x bar. So x dot x bar is equal to 0. That's why 0 dot anything, this y plus z, that results in 0. So the answer for this case is 0. Then going for the third, ABEF plus ABEF bar, EF the whole bar, right? Plus AB the whole bar into EF. So when you consider these two terms, AB is common, so you can take it outside. AB into EF plus EF the whole bar. So in this, x plus x bar, that is equal to 1, right? Similarly here we have it as EF plus EF the whole bar. So this becomes 1. So what it is? AB dot 1. So that AB dot 1 results in AB. So that is for the simplified version of this two terms. So for the first two terms we got this as AB. Then you got the third term. Third term is AB bar EF. So this is of the kind x plus x bar y. So there the answer is x plus 1. Similarly here instead of x we have AB plus AB the whole bar into EF. So this should be written as AB plus EF. So this is your answer. So we got the answer for the three cases. Thank you. Hope you have understood.